For anyone stepping into the world of business finance, the sheer number of accounting software options can feel overwhelming. Two names that frequently pop up are Sage and Xero, leading many to wonder, are they the same or are they different? As an accounting software expert, I can tell you definitively that no, Sage and Xero are not the same. While they both serve the fundamental purpose of helping businesses manage their finances, they have distinct philosophies, features, and target audiences. Let's break down these two giants of accounting software in simple terms, ideal for those just beginning their journey into understanding financial tools. The core purpose, what both do. At their heart, both Sage and Xero are designed to simplify and automate key accounting tasks for businesses. This includes invoicing and billing, creating and sending professional invoices to customers, tracking payments, and sending reminders for overdue amounts. Expense tracking, recording and categorizing business expenses, often by connecting directly to bank accounts or allowing receipt uploads. Bank reconciliation, matching your bank statements with your accounting records to ensure accuracy. Financial reporting, generating essential financial statements like profit and loss, income statement, balance sheets, and cash flow statements to give you insights into your business's health. VAT/tax management, helping businesses calculate and prepare their tax returns, often with direct submission capabilities to tax authorities, depending on region. These are the bread and butter functions that almost any accounting software worth its salt will offer. The differences between Sage and Xero lie in how they deliver these functions, their approach to technology, and the types of businesses they best serve. Xero, the modern, cloud-first challenger. Xero emerged as a significant player in the accounting software world by fully embracing cloud technology from its inception. Key characteristics of Xero. Cloud-native. Xero was built from the ground up as a cloud-based solution. This means you access it entirely through your web browser or via their mobile apps. There's no software to install on your computer. This offers immense flexibility. You can work from anywhere with an internet connection, collaborate seamlessly with your accountant or team members in real time, and your data is automatically backed up. User-friendly interface. Xero is renowned for its clean, intuitive, and modern interface. It's often described as being very easy on the eyes and relatively simple for non-accountants to navigate. This focus on user experience has made it highly popular with small business owners who may not have a strong accounting background. Extensive app marketplace. Xero has a vast ecosystem of third-party integrations. This means you can connect Xero to hundreds, if not thousands, of other business applications from e-commerce platforms, like Shopify, and CRM systems to payment gateways and industry-specific tools. This flexibility allows businesses to build a customized tech stack around their accounting. Strong bank feed automation. Xero excels at automatically importing and categorizing bank transactions, making bank reconciliation a smooth and efficient process. Multi-user focus. Xero generally offers unlimited users across its plans, making it excellent for businesses with multiple team members who need to access the accounting system, or for seamless collaboration with an external accountant. Target audience. Xero is particularly well-suited for small to medium-sized businesses, SMBs, freelancers, startups, and those who value ease of use, cloud accessibility, and a wide range of integrations. It's especially popular with businesses that operate predominantly online or have a modern, tech-forward approach. Sage, the established, diverse veteran. Sage is a much older company than Xero with a long history in accounting software. Over the years, Sage has developed a wide range of accounting products, some of which are traditional desktop-based software and others that are cloud-based. This diverse portfolio is a key differentiator. Key characteristics of Sage. Diverse product portfolio. Unlike Xero, which is almost entirely cloud-based, Sage offers a variety of accounting solutions. This includes Sage Business Cloud Accounting. This is Sage's direct cloud-based competitor to Xero, designed for small businesses. Sage 50 Cloud, formerly Sage 50, this is a popular hybrid solution, primarily a desktop software but with cloud connectivity for remote access and collaboration. It offers more robust features than Sage Business Cloud Accounting. Higher-end ERP solutions, e.g., Sage 200, Sage 300, Sage X3. These are complex, enterprise-level solutions designed for larger businesses with more intricate accounting, inventory, manufacturing, and supply chain needs. Robust features, especially in higher-tier products. Sage, particularly its desktop and enterprise solutions, is known for its depth of features, especially in areas like inventory management, advanced reporting, and industry-specific functionalities. For businesses with complex stock requirements or highly specific financial analysis needs, Sage often provides more detailed tools. Traditional accounting focus. Sage products often have a more traditional accounting feel, which can be preferred by accountants who are accustomed to desktop software and comprehensive ledgers. Local expertise and support. Given its long history and global presence, Sage often has strong local support and expertise in various regions, particularly concerning local tax regulations and compliance. Target audience. Sage's target audience is broader due to its diverse product range. Sage Business Cloud Accounting aims for small businesses and sole traders, similar to Xero, especially those prioritizing straightforward accounting or a more traditional interface. Sage 50 Cloud caters to small to medium-sized businesses that might require more detailed control over their accounts, possibly with complex inventory or specific industry requirements, and value the blend of desktop power with cloud flexibility. Its higher-end ERP solutions are designed for larger enterprises with complex operational and financial structures. Key differences summarized. Feature. Xero. Sage. Specifically Sage Business Cloud Accounting versus Xero. Origin/approach. Cloud-native, modern, intuitive. Older, diverse portfolio. Desktop, hybrid, cloud. Primary access. Fully cloud-based. Web browser and mobile apps. Cloud-based and desktop/hybrid options available. User interface. Clean, modern, highly intuitive. Can vary. Sage Business Cloud is simple, others more detailed. Integrations. Extensive app marketplace, highly flexible. Good, but often more focused on Sage's own ecosystem. Target size. Small to medium businesses, startups, freelancers. Very small to large enterprises, depending on product. Inventory. Basic to good with add-ons. Can be very robust, especially in higher-tier products. Project tracking. Strong features. More basic in some cloud offerings. Pricing. Generally seen as competitive, sometimes higher for advanced features. Can be more affordable at entry-level, scales with features. Export to sheets. Which one is right for you? Choosing between Sage and Xero isn't about one being inherently better than the other. It's about which one aligns best with your specific business needs. Choose Xero if